Imagine this with me. A 70-year-old man walks. Each step hurts him. He fears sudden falls. His bones cannot support him. Climbing stairs is hard. Playing with grandchildren is challenging. Every movement brings anxiety. Now, imagine another man. Same age, 70 years. He climbs stairs lightly, plays joyfully with grandchildren, lives every day actively. No pain, no fear. What makes them different? Luck, or maybe genes, or something else entirely? The truth is simple. It is daily habits. Simple morning routines help. They strengthen his bones and keep his joints flexible. Did you know seniors over 50%, over 60, struggle with weak bones? A Harvard study confirmed calcium pills alone fail. Some overuse pills, harming kidneys and heart. This is concerning indeed. The good news? It exists. Simple, natural solutions work. Protect against fractures naturally. Keep your body strong, flexible, even after 60. In this video today, I share 3 drinks. Natural morning beverages, proven stronger than calcium pills, backed by scientific studies, easy to prepare at home. They provide essential nutrients daily, supporting strength after 60. But first, let's explain why bones weaken naturally. Aging reduces calcium levels. Also, vitamin D, essential. Magnesium and vitamin K decline. Modern lifestyle worsens loss. Little movement harms bones. Excess caffeine or salt increases bone density loss. Prevention is always better than fixing fractures later. The great news is small daily changes help. Adding healthy morning drinks with essential nutrients carefully protects against osteoporosis naturally and gives lasting strength daily. Imagine starting mornings simply. 1 drink only, daily, full of natural calcium, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants included. Over time, movement eases. Joint pain gradually decreases. Energy and vitality return. Before revealing the drinks, one important note exists. These drinks do not replace balanced meals, fully needed. They complement daily nutrition smartly, provide essentials for strong bones, and also support overall senior health. I will share tips for correct preparation and quantity for best results safely, without harmful additives included. If you want an active life, after 60, stay protected. Prevent fractures and weak bones. Watch until the very end. These are more than recipes. They are a morning plan, a daily routine you can follow. Feel the difference quickly. Walk confidently every morning, away from brittle bones and annoying fractures. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video, please. Get more senior health tips. Simple, clear guidance daily. Share the video with loved ones. These drinks could help a relative or friend stay strong, active every day. Now, get ready to discover 3 morning drinks explained. Ingredients, benefits, preparation, simply shown. Remember these drinks, daily habits. They will transform life positively. Walk confidently, strong mornings. No more weak bones. No more painful fractures. First drink, leafy greens. Blend. Your bones need calcium daily. Over 50% of seniors have weak bones after 60. Weakness increases with age. Calcium and magnesium naturally lost. Vitamin D deficiency is common. Little movement worsens fragility. There is a simple solution. A healthy, natural morning drink, backed by modern research, strengthens bones effectively, naturally. Harvard study confirmed recently. Natural drinks absorb calcium better than supplements alone. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula contain high calcium and magnesium, essential for strong bones. Also rich in vitamin K, which helps fix calcium in bones. Vitamin C boosts collagen, enhancing joint and bone flexibility. Fortified milk with vitamin D improves nutrient absorption effectively, reducing fracture risk after 60. Preparation is easy and simple. Take 1 cup of fortified milk, add a handful of leafy greens, optional honey for slight sweetness. Blend well until smooth. Drink in the morning, before breakfast for best absorption. Daily quantity matters greatly. 1 cup daily is enough. Avoid excess sugar added to prevent weight gain and diabetes. Optional supplements may help. Chia or flax seeds added increase fiber and support digestion. Provide heart-healthy omega-3. Studies show benefits clearly. Bone density increases 5% after 3 months of daily use. Improves stability, reduces joint pain. Other senior benefits include stronger muscles over time. Reduces minor daily inflammation. Supports heart and blood vessels. Simple advice for better results: drink daily, every morning. Combine with light exercise, walking or lightweight exercises. Avoid full-fat milk excess. Choose low-fat or skim milk. Protect weight and heart health. Continue gaining bone benefits daily. You can mix vegetables. Change taste, add variety. For example, spinach, arugula, celery, or kale with cucumber. The key is consistency. Daily habit becomes routine. You will notice improvement. Movement, activity, strength, flexibility gradually. Important reminder: this drink does not replace meals. Eat fruits, vegetables, proteins. Include healthy fats daily. For best results possible, drink 1 cup in the morning, before breakfast, sleep well. Avoid stress, it affects bones. Now, extra benefits include improves digestion due to fiber content, reduces constipation after 60, supports healthy blood pressure, protects heart and blood vessels, gives fullness and energy in mornings. No extra supplements needed. Studies confirm natural drinks. Leafy greens increase bone density, reduce fracture risk by 30%, especially for seniors with osteoporosis. Finally, one important advice: prepare the drink every morning. Habit becomes easy and enjoyable, part of daily routine. Strong bones start now. Small steps, simple drinks. Consistency shows difference quickly. Better movement, activity, confidence. Subscribe to the channel, like the video for more senior tips. Share content with loved ones. Support seniors to stay strong. Second drink: turmeric milk. After the vegetable drink, move to a new beverage, famous for bone health, also called golden milk. Why is it beneficial? Turmeric contains an active compound. Curcumin reduces joint inflammation, protects joints, strengthens bones. According to the Journal of Medicinal Food, studies show curcumin reduces arthritis and improves bone density, especially for seniors after 60. Milk contains natural calcium. Vitamin D boosts absorption, strengthening bones and preventing fractures. Turmeric and milk combine perfectly for bones and muscles. Reduces daily pain gradually. Increases joint flexibility naturally. Preparation is very simple. Take 1 cup of warm milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Optional, a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper enhances absorption. Without it, benefits reduce, losing some anti-inflammatory effect. For best results daily. Drink in the morning, before breakfast. Continue for 3 months and notice improved movement and energy. Add a little honey to sweeten the drink naturally and healthily. Avoid harmful white sugar, which reduces bone benefits. Studies show turmeric milk reduces inflammation by 20%, gradually increases bone density, especially for seniors with osteoporosis. Additional benefits include digestion, reduces bloating, improves comfort, supports heart and blood vessels, gives morning energy and vitality. Important tip: choose low-fat milk to avoid unwanted weight gain. Fortified almond milk is optional. For dairy allergies, safe. Ideal daily amount: 1 cup is enough. Do not overuse ingredients, preserves maximum bone benefit. Enhance results with exercise, daily walking or light weights. Strengthens bones faster naturally. Drink before sleep if possible, but best time is morning. Activates calcium and vitamin absorption. Studies confirm daily consistency is key for improvement. This drink is a strong supplement, not a full meal. You can vary recipes. Add cinnamon or ginger. Boosts anti-inflammatory properties safely. Improves flavor naturally too. Beneficial for everyone, especially seniors. Reduces joint pain gradually. Prevents bone density loss. Remember, small daily habits make a real difference naturally. Do not rely only on supplements. Nature provides essential nutrients. Now real results emerge. Seniors using this drink experience. Bone density rises 5 to 7%, chronic inflammation reduced 20%. Extra advice to maximize benefits. Drink daily, morning, consistently. Combine with light exercise and sleep. Notice difference within 3 months. Continue other drinks too for complete bone benefits. Maintain a healthy lifestyle balance. Combine food, drink, and activity. Third drink, spinach citrus juice. After turmeric milk, move to another healthy beverage rich in senior benefits, perfect for those over 60. Why this drink matters. Contains calcium, magnesium, vitamin K, which help fix minerals in bones. Spinach is the key vegetable. A rich source of vitamins and minerals, maintains bone and joint strength, reduces osteoporosis gradually and naturally. Citrus, like orange or grapefruit, is high in vitamin C, boosts collagen production in the body, enhances joint flexibility, protects bones. A Tufts University study shows spinach citrus juice increases bone density up to 7% within 3 months of daily use. Other helpful ingredients include chia seeds and flax seeds, support heart and digestion naturally, increase calcium and mineral absorption. Preparation is very simple. Take 1 cup of fresh spinach, add juice of 1 orange or half a cup of grapefruit. Optional, 1 teaspoon of honey. To sweeten drink naturally and healthily. Avoid harmful white sugar. Blend ingredients well, thoroughly. Drink in the morning, before breakfast, to maximize mineral and nutrient absorption. Daily quantity matters greatly. 1 cup is enough. Do not overuse servings, prevents digestion or sugar issues. Studies confirm the drink's benefits. Improves bone and joint density, reduces chronic inflammation by 15 to 20%, especially for seniors over 60. Additional benefits include improves digestion, reduces bloating, increases fullness and morning energy, supports heart and blood vessels. Daily tip for results. Drink consistently every morning. Combine with light exercise, walking or lightweight exercises. You can drink in the evening if morning time is difficult. But the best time is morning. It activates calcium and vitamin absorption. Moving from drink 2 to 3 covers bones, joints, and muscles, making the daily routine complete. Vary juice ingredients occasionally. Add lettuce or celery, adds flavor and variety safely, without reducing bone benefits. Seniors notice real results. Bone density rises 7%. Joint strength improves clearly. Feel active and light throughout the day. Remember, the third drink is essential. Part of a strong bones routine, combined with the previous drinks daily and regular physical activity. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with family and friends. Everyone benefits from healthy habits. Continuing 3 drinks daily, you'll notice a big difference in months. Bones stronger, more flexible, fracture risks significantly reduced. Final advice for seniors: drink every morning consistently. Exercise regularly, sleep well, avoid stress, protect bones. You now have a complete routine. A healthy bone routine, with 3 effective, simple drinks, better than traditional calcium pills. Additional drink, almond banana. After the previous 3 drinks, discover an extra beverage that gives additional bone strength and increases daily activity and flexibility. Why this drink helps. Almonds are rich in calcium and magnesium, supporting the building of strong bones, reducing bone density loss. Banana is a natural potassium source, supports muscles, prevents cramps, enhances calcium absorption effectively, maintains the mineral balance in the body. An Oregon University study shows daily almonds increase bone density by 6%, especially in seniors. Other helpful ingredients include fortified milk with calcium and vitamin D, boosts mineral absorption gradually, strengthens joints and muscles naturally. Preparation is simple and easy. Take 1 cup of fortified milk, add 1 medium banana, include 4 ground almonds. Optional, 1 teaspoon of honey, to sweeten naturally, healthy, and safe. Avoid harmful white sugar, blend ingredients well, thoroughly. Drink in the morning, before breakfast, to maximize nutrient absorption effectively. Daily quantity matters. 1 cup is enough. Do not overuse ingredients. Prevents digestion or sugar issues. Studies confirm drink benefits. Bone density increases 5 to 7%. Joint and muscle strength improves. Knee joint pain reduces gradually. Additional benefits include improves digestion, supports the heart, increases fullness and morning energy, protects bones from fractures. Tip for best results: drink daily in the morning, consistently. Combine with light exercise, walking or lightweight exercises. Occasionally mix ingredients. Add oatmeal or cinnamon. Enhances flavor, keeps benefits. Moving from the third to this extra drink. Covers bones, joints, and muscles fully. The daily routine becomes healthy and complete. Seniors notice real results. Bone density rises 7%. Joint movement and strength improve. You feel active and light all day. Remember, this extra drink is essential, part of the daily bone routine. With previous drinks and regular activity, you achieve the best health results naturally. Final tip to maximize benefits: drink your cup daily. Exercise lightly every day. Sleep well. Avoid stress. This additional drink is ideal for seniors seeking activity. It maintains bones naturally strong, better than supplements alone. Now that you know, 4 healthy bone drinks. Strengthen bones after 60. Prevent fractures. Increase activity. Remember, bones are not static. They strengthen daily with habits. Drinks shown today, backed by studies and numbers, daily routine is the key. Drink 1 cup every morning. Exercise lightly each day. Walking or light weights. Do not rely only on supplements. Supplements alone are insufficient. The body needs natural nutrients from vegetables, fruits, milk, turmeric. Each drink has unique benefits. Spinach milk with leafy greens, turmeric milk with anti-inflammatory power, spinach citrus calcium juice, extra almond banana drink. These drinks gradually strengthen bones, keep joints flexible, reduce pain, prevent fractures, increase confidence and activity. Important tip: daily consistency makes a real difference naturally. Change your routine permanently, gradually, ensure lasting and visible results. Sleep well, avoid daily stress. All factors affect bone strength. Share this information with others. Healthy habits benefit everyone. Family and friends gain advantage. Helps early osteoporosis prevention. Age is not a barrier. Strong health and an active lifestyle are possible. The key is daily habits. Follow the healthy drink routine regularly. Start today with a simple step. Choose 1 drink in the morning, then gradually add the others. Make the daily habit enjoyable and healthy. Strong bones start now. Supplements alone are not sufficient. Natural drinks, daily routine, movement, and general health care. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Receive all new health tips. Share with loved seniors. Start the change today with simple steps. Continue daily, notice the difference. Activity increases, movement improves. Bones become stronger and more flexible naturally. Small habits create a big impact. Maintain your daily drink routine, exercise lightly every day, and live life with comfort and confidence.